Hey everyone, this is Ruan Marinho from SplashDash. Just want to make a quick video for you guys. We recently got 500 users using the SplashDash product. So whether you're using it for free or you're in early access, I wanted to thank you for actually using it. And I wanted to make this video to do a quick product update. Recently, we've launched a new version of digital presence. So if you are on the user plan or if you're on the actual free plan, you can run this. The free plan you can run at 25, the pro plan you can run up to 100 of all of the different report selections that are there. I encourage you to try it out because it is absolutely beautiful. Our team spent a ton of time on this report. We stress tested it, we designed it component by component, and we really wanted to make an introductory report for SplashDash that's easy for you to run every time you're gonna work with a potential customer, or if you're your own business running this actual report. We also made it super easy and friendly for you to copy the link and put it directly inside of the LLM of choice, whether it's ChatGPT, Claude, etc., for those AI engines to gather that data and give you a response in a contextual format. What's coming over the next month is even more exciting. We're working on updating Competitive Overview 2.0, ChatGPT Visibility 2.0, and finally, drumroll, everyone's been waiting for it, actually introducing white label as an option. So you being able to log into SplashDash, change the colors, make it yours, and still only pay $29 per month. Thank you guys so much for following us on this journey. I really appreciate it. I hope you're enjoying it. And if you have feedback, please feel free to respond to this email. I'm very curious to hear what that feedback is.